In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how to redeem your Kroger fuel points. As you can see, it's not actually that hard to be able to redeem them. Redeeming is easy. You will need to enter your alt ID and then follow the pump prompt instructions to redeem your fuel points. See below to explore your options for redeeming fuel points at the pump. As you can see, there's actually a couple of options. Probably the option number 4 is not the best. I will actually go for either option 1 and 2 or option 3. So option 1 and 2, choose a month to redeem the full amount of fuel points available. So you will need to choose a month basically, or option 3, enter the amount you want to use in 10 cent per gallon increments. So this right here actually explains us a bit more detailed what we need to do. So option 1 and 2, choose a month to redeem the full amount of fuel points available, or option 3, enter the amount you want to use in 10 cent per gallon increments. The system will always pull from previous month's balance first, unless the amount entered is greater than what is available that month. So this is basically the ways that you can actually redeem your Kroger fuel points. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, then I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.